Bluey tiptoed into the abandoned city. Bingo, Coco, Snickers, Honey, Dan, Jack followed. Could this be a hidden mystery? Strange lights flickered from the windows. Bluey shouted, "Everyone look!" Coco gasped. Snickers wagged his tail. Could adventure await inside? Dad peeked from the street. "Be careful." Mom followed quietly. Bluey's ears twitched with excitement. Suddenly, glowing footprints appeared on the cobblestones. Honey whispered, "Should we follow them?" They ran together, jumping over broken tiles, climbing fallen walls. Bluey's paws barely touched the ground. Could they reach the center in time? A hidden door opened in a tower. Bluey's heart raced. She whispered, "Everyone, let's go inside." Inside, a tunnel of flickering lights stretched ahead. Could this really be a secret passage? Shadows danced mysteriously along the walls. Bluey felt a thrill. Bingo whispered, "This is incredible. Could magic really exist here?" A small glowing owl appeared. Bluey whispered, "Hello." Could this be their guide? The owl led them to sparkling gems. All friends twirled in delight. Could happiness feel this magical? Suddenly, glowing footprints led deeper. Bluey gasped. Jack shouted, "What are those?" Could they lead to more secrets? They tiptoed carefully, laughing and discovering wonders. Could the magic last forever? A shadow flickered behind a tower wall. Bluey froze. Bingo whispered, "Who's there?" Dad and Mom looked anxious. Could danger be near? Bluey stepped forward courageously. A playful city dragon appeared. Bluey laughed. All friends hugged each other. Could the adventure get even wilder? As the sun set, the city glowed softly. Bluey whispered, "What an incredible day." Bingo, Coco, Snickers, Honey, Dan, Jack hugged Bluey tightly. "Thank you for sharing this magical adventure." Bluey wagged her tail happily. "And you?" "Yes, you." If you felt the thrill with Bluey and Friends, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much.